Those guys are going to work. This guy is taking his buffalo out for a walk. These bad boys are massive. Dekat bawah tak ada lampu. Good morning. This is day 7. Right now time is about 9 o'clock. I'm taking it a bit easy this morning because I'm at my good friend's house in Gopeng. He doesn't want to be known. But I've only got 200 km to go from here to KL, and then I officially end my ride. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to extend by charging my batteries one more time and then going down to Seremban and doubling back. So the next person who tries to break this record will have better think twice lah. Okay, last day. Off we go! We say goodbye to the Gopeng toll. The next toll I see will be the KL toll. Woo! Finishing soon. So I'm going to finish strong. Weather forecast is really great. It says no rain, just a few bits of cloud activity. So I'm feeling really good today, guys. This is the last day. Really looking forward to going home. I've been riding for half an hour and I've only got one thing on my mind. I'm already imagining myself meeting my children after such a long time. They would be taking their last term paper today, and then tonight they've got orchestral practice for their concert on Monday. So I'll see them tonight. Oh gee, I really miss them. I'm getting a bit sleepy from the big breakfast I had just now in Gopeng. Another 40 km to Berang. I've turned off at Sungkai because I'm feeling kind of tired. The breakfast was way too big. I had a quick stop because I was nodding off on the highway. So now I'm using the back roads, which will lead me to Slim River, and from there I'm going to join the Plus Highway to go down south again. Tell you, I can remember bits and pieces of this back road because I cycle on the opposite direction when I cycled to China. I just passed this really long wall and I remembered it. I'm back on the Plus Highway, headed for Berang. 42% battery power left. I should get to Berang and have left, I think, 20%. I'm going to stop over here to get my battery swapped so I can get down to Kuala Lumpur without having to charge. Batteries have been swapped, and according to the GPS, I only have 71 kilometers before I reach my house. Only 60 km to Kuala Lumpur. There's thick smoke up ahead. But you ain't open burning. Is the thick smoke coming from the highway? Oh, it's a lorry caught on fire. Oh boy. Wow, the jam on the opposite side of the highway is kilometers long, man. I'm going to take a guess and say that the lorry caught fire because its brakes malfunction. So if your brakes are on, clamping on the brake drum, you'll cause high heat. Yeah, that might have been the thing that sparked it off. So that caused the metal to be really red hot, and then it started to burn the container. Holy moly, I thought this was going to come on the news, man. Look at the light. It's all backed up. all the way to Bukit Beruntung. 42 kilometers more. As I'm nearing the city, you can see that the traffic has built up. Look at the traffic. I'm just whizzing up this hill. The CPX Pro. The torque is amazing. That is the toll to PJ. I'm back in KL. I managed to charge my batteries up to almost 100%. So now I'm headed down to Seremban and gonna charge it one more time and then turn around and come back. I think that I should be, what's the time now? Now it's almost 4. So, I don't know. What time would it be? 1.5 hours there, 1.5 hours back. 3 hours plus another 4.5 hours. So let's say, I think I should be back home by 8:30 this evening. There's heavy traffic on the road right now. I guess it must be the Friday going home jam. Right, just passing the, what is it, the Kajang toll, right? Or is it the Skyway toll? I've officially entered Negeri Sembilan. I've slowed down my speed to 60 because I don't want the battery to drop below 20% before I get a chance to charge it. I just left my brother's house where I was charging the batteries. So now I'm headed back home and I should reach home at 8:30 PM, I think, because I cannot be speeding at 80 kilometers. I've only got 84% of battery and the distance is about 80 kilometers. So just be on the safe side. I'm going to just go a little slow until I hit the highways, and then only I speed up. I'm on the highway heading back to KL, and there are clouds. Not again, man. I've had enough of clouds. Oh, there's a jam heading towards KL. Wow, looks quite long. Oh, the sun has really set and it's dark now. And I just passed a section that was filled with heavy traffic and fast-moving vehicles like these guys. Haven't reached the toll house yet. Oh, the toll house is 23 kilometers away. I'm at the Skyway toll already. Oh, Skyway toll, sorry. Jam. Holy moly, it's not even moving. I've got a nice, what's this guy? Alright. Why is he waiting there? I thought he was gonna rob me. I was gonna say this was a nice bike lane and then that guy was just there. Yeah, almost home. A little ahead, this lane is gonna join up with the LTP. And then I'll be home already.